Away they go. Mountain Cat, quick play. Moving up down on the inside is Mutiara Golden Eye in the middle. New chapter down on the inside. Risk Taker, Diamond Magic, while Madam Composita is running at the tail of the field. Mountain Cat by a length and a half, followed by quick play by Daral Mutiara. Moving up is New Chapter. Risk Taker is also rushing up. Golden Eye rounding the far turn. Mountain Cat this time by Sam to lines, quick play. Risk Taker on the outside, and moving up by Darrell is New Chapter. Diamond Magic as they race the final corner. Mountain Cat by Oli Alenkan up. Risk Taker is on the outside. Quick play down on the inside. New Chapter. Diamond Magic, Mutiara, Madam Composita. Mountain Cat stealing by Hapalan. Risk Taker is on the outside, but still Mountain Cat. 3A. Second, Risk Taker. Quick play, Mutiara, New Chapter, Madam Composita, Diamond Magic, and Golden Eye comes last.